If you love the fresh scent of lavender and would like your clothing and your shoes to stay nice and fresh, you're gonna love this lavender sachet kit from Teshcare. Now, I was just gifted this, so let me show you what you get. Now you get 12 lavender sachet bags and 6 lavender shoe balls. And they're all come separately packaged, so they're going to stay smelling super lavendery and fresh until you unbox them. And so I'm gonna open this one up and check it out. It smells so good. It is just this lovely fabric, almost like a tea bag style bag holding organic, fresh lavender. It is wonderful, all natural. And what's really nice about lavender is it does repel some insects as well, along with making everything smell fantastic. And it does have a hook on it, really nice and light, something you can tuck in your closet to get your clothing smelling fresh in there, or just fold that down or rip it off. It is just cardboard to put this in your drawers where your laundry is, or really anywhere else in your house. I can imagine putting this in some bathroom drawers to have my bathroom smelling fresher. I love the smell of lavender, so this is exceptionally inviting, and I love how many bags I get, as I can rotate them out as the smell fades over time, or just use a bunch of them and get more later. So that is really, really nice and clean, simple but effective. And then you get the shoe deodorizer balls. Now these do come in one container, so I will probably put this in a plastic bag after I take one of these out to keep the smell. But let me open this up. Now these are a little different. The lavender in them is concentrated. I can't confirm what it is exactly in there, but it looks like a ball. I think it has a lavender essential oil on it, and it says these will last up to 30 days, but the smell is really nice, just stronger than this lavender sachet. So different smell, just slightly because of the concentrate. But I can definitely tell that these would do a really good job deodorizing shoes. Just drop one in each shoe, leave them in there overnight, and your shoes are going to be fresher. If you're going to a party or seeing other people and you take your shoes off, your socks are going to smell nice and fresh, and so are your feet. Really nice win overall, really lovely and simple. I love products like this because they are taking advantage of the simplicity of nature to solve issues we have in our home in a day-to-day basis in such a beautiful way. So I will definitely be putting these to use and putting them in my kids' shoes in particular, and I cannot wait to hang these in my closet and put these in my laundry drawers. Highly recommend this Teshcare Lavender Sachet packet. This is really lovely.